Hello everybody, welcome back. Time flies. This year is going to end. Actually, today is the last day of 2022. It goes by really quickly. I feel like time speeds up when I get older. And I guess the majority of my colleagues and friends who are about the same age as I am feel the same. Actually, I was looking for appropriate place to film this video clip, but I couldn't find, so as you know, I'm in the car and I'm filming this video clip in my car. Actually, when I was a teenager and was in my 20s, I never felt like this and was not able to understand why my parents kept saying day goes by really quickly. But now I understand 100% what it means, and I guess you guys will see what I mean when you get older if you're a teenager or if you are in your 20s, especially early 20s. And to be honest, I'm still missing the time. I'm thinking a lot of 2021 because that's the unforgettable memory. I can't get the memory out of my mind. Even I come back to work and normal life. I actually it was hectic for the first couple of months. I had a lot on my plate. I had to I had to get used to a normal life. I guess the more I recall the wonderful experiences I did and beautiful places I visited and nice people who I met, the more likely I feel a bit sad because I know I can't go back and I will never ever get that kind of opportunity again in the rest of my life. That makes me that makes me feel sad. And yeah, that was just great because think about that, living in the UK for 1 year and studying again as a student at the Graduate School of Reading University with other friends, the young guys, and then visiting small villages in England, Scotland, Wales. Those were just amazing things. Yeah. So I'm sure I got great benefits from my society, so I determined to make sure that my English should be used for something more meaningful. Uh, so, but not now because of my English. My English is not good to do that. So, and then uh, yeah. Anyway, how was your 2022? For me, it was hectic. How many have you accomplished you planned? I guess you better than me. Because one of my New Year's resolutions was to upload videos introducing South Korea in English on my YouTube channel, but I uploaded only two. It means, in short, I did nothing. I guess I'm getting late. Um, so every year I like to start New Year with New Year's resolutions. So today I'm gonna share three of them. Actually, there are many, but I will share three of them because writing down or sharing my New Year's resolutions would be better than just keeping in the mind. So here are my New Year's resolutions. Here are my three New Year's resolutions. First, I will make a video clips every month. It means my subscribers would watch 12 videos next year. Some will about my country, South Korea, and then some will about my daily routine. Second, I will take a test for getting tourism interpreter certificate. As I mentioned before, I like to use my English for something meaningful, and I want to make sure that my final goal with my English is not just to be a interpreter. Getting interpreter certificate is just taking one step further to my goal. The last one, I like to apply for Taekwondo promotion. I got five. I got 5 done in Taekwondo, and I think it would be nice to apply for 6 before it's too late. What about your New Year's resolutions? Whatever it is, I will get you back, and I hope you're all doing well. COVID is not over yet, but I wish we're staying positive in these tough times. Thank you for watching my video and Happy New Year and see you in 2023. I hope coming year will be full of happiness for you.